good afternoon. I am Vinita from Rebooks, and today we have Smita Nair ma'am from Medicap International School, Indore, Madhya Pradesh. So, many congratulations, ma'am, for winning the Inspiring Educators Award. I want to know about your journey.
Basically, I'm representing the Medicaps International School and I've been the academic coordinator there. And this year I got the opportunity to represent my school as the Rebooks coordinator also. So, if you talk about my journey, then 2 years back I stood here as a parent when my son was receiving the Top 100 award. So that day it was like, when I saw it, so I thought that maybe one day, I'll be representing my school standing here getting the leadership award. And today I'm, very satisfied, very happy that with the management's commitment and, their motivation and my principals, all the support that she has provided, Medicaps is standing over here receiving the third position nationally for the Rebooks National Leadership Award. So it's been quite an motivating journey, inspiring students. Being a published author myself, I am very happy that I could inspire my students to write their own books.
So, ma'am, like you said that you've been, academic coordinator, and so what does it take for a, educator to encourage their team members to be able to help children write better or participate into these kind of activities? Because as it is, kids are very much stressed with their curricular, activities.
Yes.
So, does it take a little extra for an educator?
Extra in the motivation part, because I have seen this thing happening in our school itself, that when they see 2 to 3 students getting the award and getting recognition, whether it is school wise or state wise or nationally also, the other students get equally motivated. So it's up to the teacher to motivate the students, give them the real life examples. That's the most important part, because if we are going to speak just out of the blue that okay, you have to write this, then children obviously, and especially today's children who are far away from books, so it's very difficult to motivate them.
Attention span.
So what we did, the first part of our inspiration, the first part of our first step was motivating our students and setting and showing them real life examples of students who have
won already.
Yes, already won. And this year we actually started with a complete section of Rebooks, library, the published author books from our school. So that motivated our students a lot when they saw their friends holding the book in their hand, the certificate in their hand, and that feel of seeing their name as an author. So it inspired the others also. And there were students who wrote multiple books, in fact.
Absolutely.
Same students wrote 3 to 4 books. So we were very happy that the journey which started with just 20 students 2 years back has reached to with 835 registrations.
Wonderful.
And 420 published books from the same school. So we were very happy to get that overwhelming response.
Congratulations, ma'am, for this beautiful, wonderful journey that you are having, and I expect you to see you with more number of students, with more teachers of your school winning the awards.
We are actually aiming for the top position now.
Definitely, ma'am.
Yes, we have reached number 3 now. Number 1 is the aim.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Thank you, Rebooks.